To change AirDrop settings to everyone or contacts only, you need to access the settings on your Apple device. Start by going to the Settings app, which can be found on your home screen. Once you are in the Settings app, scroll down and click on General. In the General section, you will see an option called AirDrop. Click on it to proceed. When you click on AirDrop, you will see 3 options: Receiving off, Contacts only, and Everyone. If you want to change your AirDrop settings to Everyone, click on Everyone. This will allow anyone nearby to see your device and send you files. If you want to change your AirDrop settings to Contacts only, click on Contacts only. This will only allow your contacts to see your device and send you files. It is recommended to use the Contacts only option for security reasons, as it prevents strangers from sending you unwanted files. However, if you need to receive files from someone who is not in your contacts, you can temporarily switch to Everyone and then switch back to Contacts only after you have received the file. To confirm that your AirDrop settings have been changed, go back to the AirDrop section and check which option is selected. You can also test your AirDrop settings by trying to send a file to yourself or someone else to see if it works as expected. In summary, changing AirDrop settings to Everyone or Contacts only is a simple process that can be done in a few steps. By following these steps and using the Contacts only option, you can help keep your device secure and prevent unwanted files from being sent to you.